Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are learning a lesson about magic E. When a word ends with a silent E, the vowel in the middle usually says its name, making long vowel sounds. Like if A and E is there, cake, lake, cage. If E and E is there, these, theme, delete. If I and E is there, bike, time, 5. If O and E is there, home, smoke, hole. If U and E is there, tube, rule, rude. Happy magic! See you in the next lesson.